Hello, hola. Thanks for coming to our YouTube channel. My name is Paul Wallace. I'm the owner of Bridge Cable. What's the purpose of our YouTube channel? Great question. I'm going to answer it. So there's two sections in here. We have some past projects, and it really gives us a showcase of what we're capable of doing. Some of the things that I always like to hear is a lot of new clients will call up and say, hey, I really like this, I like that. That's exactly what we want. The second part is where is my joy. When I first started out in 2006, I started with nothing. Yeah, there's books, but I'm more of a hands-on kind of guy, and hence the Band-Aid. So what we did was we put a collection of various videos training. So we use it for the new hires. Now, something that was mind-blowing, humbling to a fact, during the 2020 pandemic, during COVID, a lot of schools were closed up, and we got so much feedback that schools were using our videos to actually train the new generation. So that was quite an honor. Right now we have about 1 million plus views. So I encourage you to take a look at our past projects, our training, which we love. It's for our new hires. And there's a little bit of a sense of humor in there, but there's a lot of great knowledge. If you have any projects in the Philadelphia, New Jersey area, call us 877-832-1206. Have a great day.